Hi, I'm your new professor. Hello? Sorry, the students are way too busy with their stress relievers. My name is Miss Radius. Nice to meet you. Let's get started. What an unpleasant sound. Stop it right now. Enough. No more stress relievers in my class. And I'm gonna take all your poppets away. Oh no. Please don't. Please. No exceptions. Goldie. Fine.
My heart is broken.
All the students are miserable. But Miss Radius is excited. Class is over, but don't forget, no stress relievers in class. The students take out their lunch boxes. Julie is having a smoothie for lunch today.
Looks so good. Can I have some?
Sure, that'll be enough to go around. You are about to see. Add water to light clay. Mix and pour in liquid soap. Add shaving foam. Make slime. Pour it in a smoothie cup. Also make white slime and decorate it with styrofoam balls. Cover with a cap and put it in the top of a straw.
Ugh.
Not so yummy.
I changed
Ew.
my mind.
You don't get it. It's slime. Look. Whoa! Slimes are cool and way more fun than a real smoothie. Poseidon's wife, Aphrodite, was the goddess of the seas. The students are trying hard not to fall asleep. Where am I? Poppets are everywhere, even on my swimsuit. Whoa! Poppet ice cream. I'll try it. Cut a rectangle from a poppet. Add a cut and put in a popsicle stick. Add a decorative package. How interesting! Oh, what's wrong with my tongue? It's all bumpy. It's so great here. Oh no, a giant finger! It's about to smash me! Why would you scare me? Be quiet! Phil and Goldie are conducting a difficult surgery. Assistant, scalpel. Done. Pleasure working with you. We did it.
I'm exhausted.
Heat up foam paper. Cover up around mold and press it with a tape roll. Make 2 pieces. Glue on cardboard with holes. Cut off the excess. Draw eyes with a permanent marker. Oh no! Phil, your eyes! Whoops! We have to help! Clear! Again! Miss Radius, you're alive! The topic of the class is stress relievers. Oh yeah! Like a coloring book. Oh no! Everyone gets a picture. Get to work. Seems like these coloring books are not calming at all. I hate this.
Enough! Stupid coloring book!
No more coloring! Look how lovely this is! Miss Radius! Wait, no! It's just Phil!
I dug up an ancient artifact.
What?
Guess what's inside? It's called a spinner. This will be enough for all of us.
Phil nailed the forgotten stress reliever technique. And today, we'll study frog anatomy.
Dissecting a frog?
Gross! Take this away!
Hang on! It's fake! It's made out of rubber!
Right! A rubber frog makes an awesome stress reliever. Stop it! The topic of the class is Greek mythology. Too many notes! My hands are about to fall off! Where's my stress-relieving pencil? Cut a piece off a marker cap. Attach it to a simple dimple. Put in a crayon. Copy it on the other side. And now, let's write down the names of the younger gods. That sound again? I am so confused. I'm just writing. It's so much fun. And Miss Radius didn't figure it out.
I can't take this anymore! My hands need relief! What a stupid pen! Oh yeah! A calculator! No, too boring! I have to do something! I need magnets and a few straws. This should work!
Staple a poppet strip to an old pencil case. Divide a wide straw into parts and put them on a thin straw. Glue it. Add a zipper, Velcro, and magnets.
Oh yeah! There is so much stuff here! My fingers love it! Where is this noise coming from?
Was that a poppet? Oh wow, Phil!
Welcome to the kingdom of stress relievers!
Phil, we now pronounce you king of the stress-relieving kingdom! Another boring history class!
Sorry, may I?
Freddy, you're sick! Go home, get better! Freddy has the flu! We're gonna get sick! Freddy doesn't have the flu!
I have a lot of tissues and I love history! Can I stay?
Well, whatever!
All according to plan!
Write the topic down!
Right on it! I just need to get a tissue!
But Freddy brought a whole pack of bubble wrap instead of wipes!
Guys, it'll be enough to go around!
Thanks!
My fingers are in bubble paradise!
This must be a virus! Read your textbooks! I need to see the principal right now! She's gone! It worked! Oh, it feels so nice! Miss Radius is sad! Surprise! It's International Ice Cream Day! Ice Cream Day! I love it! And the most delicious ice cream for you, Miss Radius! Really? That's so nice!
Oh yeah! Miss Radius fell for it!
The students have Globbles balls instead of ice cream. Fill a balloon with flour. Inflate it, then tie it off. Cut off the excess. Dip the ball in soapy water. Wipe off the excess. This is so much fun! What is this noise? Whoops! The ice cream was so good! Too bad it's all gone already! This week is going to be all about parenting! You have to take care of an egg like real moms and dads! Whoa! I'm having a girl!
My chicken is just like his dad. So handsome.
The students are pretty serious about the project. The week is over. Any results? Oh, cute kids. Well done. We did it. It's so cute. They are paying so much attention. What? Is that a stress relief? Any forbidden stress relievers? I found one! Goldie, what is this? Nice try!
I don't have anything.
What's in your hand? Not bad! All the stress relievers are eliminated. Let's start! Guys, look at this! A new ASMR video! Whoa! Miss Radius should see this!
No.
Go, Julie! But why me? Hello, Miss Radius! You have to see this! I'm sure you are gonna love it!
Whoa!
Sweet dreams! And I'm gonna take the box! Oh yeah! Finally! Our babies are back home! Class, Miss Blondie will be teaching art class today. Sorry, but puppet toys are against the rules. How come? You can have it back after class. Okay, let's get started. I have paints ready for everyone. Open them. Don't be shy. You are definitely gonna love these paints. Cut a hole in a paint tube. Hot glue a cap with a hole. Put a Bubbleezz toy inside. An actual stress ball. Banning stress relievers? That's ridiculous! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what stress reliever you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.